iPhone 17e versus Google Pixel 10a. Specifications. RAM. Storage. Price. Chipset. CPU speed. Refresh rate. Front camera. Back camera. Operating system. Battery capacity. Charging speed. Wireless charging. Water resistance. USB type. Storage type. Bluetooth. Resolution. Display size. Aspect ratio. Screen to body ratio. Width. Back camera max record. Front camera max record. Thickness. Body frame. Length. Network. Weight. Screen protection. Anti-reflective. Screen privacy. PPI density. Brightness. Between iPhone 17e and Google Pixel 10a, which one is the best? Let me know in the comment section. Also, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks you for watching.